Hello students, welcome to SOFA E-class. In the previous lecture, we have studied the methods of solving the simultaneous equation, that is method of elimination by equating the coefficient, and second one is method of elimination by substitution. So student, today we are going to solve practice set 1.1 from the textbook, and for that we will use these two methods which we have studied in the previous lecture, that is method of elimination by equating coefficient and the method of elimination by substitution. Yes. Student, the first question is complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. Yes, here the equation is given to us that 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Student, if you will observe these equation, then here it is positive 3y and here it is negative 3y. So by adding both the equation, this term can be eliminated. This positive 3y and negative 3y will be eliminated and we can get the value of x from this equation. So let's add equation 1 and 2. Here if we will add this equation 1 and 2, here 5x plus 2x will become 7x. So here is x is given to us. I will write 7 here. 5x plus 2x, it will be 7x. Now positive 3y and negative 3y will be eliminated and this 9 plus 12 will become 21. So student, we will get this equation 7x equal to 21. From this equation we can find the value of x. From this equation we can find the value of x. So here x equal to, here it is 7x equal to 21, so x equal to 21 upon 7. So 21 upon 7 it will be 3. Yes, now we get the value of x equal to 3. Now we have to find the value of y. For finding the value of y, we can put this value of x in one of the equation. So we can put this value of x equal to 3 in equation number 1. In first equation we can put 3 instead of x. So that first equation is 5x plus 3y equal to 9. So it will be 5 multiplied by, instead of x we will write 3 here. So 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3y equal to 9. Now student, this 5 into 3 will become 15. Yes. So I want to show you one more step here. Yes, 5 into 3 it will become 15. Yes, 15 plus 3y will be as it is equal to 9. Now student, we got the equation 15 plus 3y equal to 9. From this equation we can solve it. We are interested in positive 3y. This plus 3y we are interested in this term because we have to find the value of y here. So 3y will be equal to, yes, 9 minus, here it is positive 15 this side, we will take it to RHS, it will become negative 15. So 3y equal to 9 minus 15. Student, here greater number has negative sign, that is why we will give negative sign to this. Now 15 minus 9 will become 6. So this equation will become 3y equal to negative 6. Now we are interested in finding the value of y. This we will take this 3 to the divide. Yes, we will divide this negative 6 by 3. So it will be negative 6. Yes, y equal to negative 6 upon 3, y equal to negative 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and negative sign will be as it is. Yes. Now student, we have solved this equation. We got the value of x and value of y here. I already show you in the previous lecture that while writing the ordered pair, always write x first and then y. So the value of x is 3 here, so I will write 3, and then value of y is negative 2, so I will write negative 2 here. So the solution of the given equations are 3 and negative 2. Yes, like this we can solve this equation. Student, you have to solve this equation very properly because this question can be asked in the SSC board examination in question number 2 and 3. This type of questions asked many times. So now we will move towards the next question. So let us move towards the next question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. So student, consider equation 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and the second equation is a plus 5b equal to 22. If you will observe these two equations, then here it is positive 5b and positive 5b is common here, and in these two equations if we want to eliminate b in order to find the value of a, then we have to subtract equation 2 from 1. Let this equation be equation number 1 and this equation be equation number 2, and subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So if you will subtract equation 2 from equation 1, what happened? Let's see. So equation 1 is 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and second equation is a plus 5b equal to 22. Student, we have to subtract these two equations. We have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and while subtracting, this negative sign is applied to all the terms of the second equation. That is why this a will become negative a, this positive 5b will become negative 5b, and this 22 will become negative 22. So student, we know that 26 minus 22, it will be 4, and this positive 5b, negative 5b will be eliminated. This is the negative 5b, and 3a minus a, it will become 2a. So student, b is eliminated from here, and we can find the value of a. 2a equal to 4, so a equal to 2. You know that a will be equal to 4 upon 2, it will become 2. Now we want to find the value of b, and for finding the value of b, let us put a equal to 2 in equation 2. So put a equal to 2 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Yes, a plus 5b equal to 22. Now student, here we will put the value of a, that is 2. So a equal to 2. 2 plus 5b equal to 22. So student, this is positive 2 here. In LHS we will take it to RHS and we will make negative 2. So it will become 5b equal to 22 minus 2. 5b equal to 22 minus 2. So 5b will be equal to 20 and b will be equal to 20 upon 5, that will be 4. So the value of b will be equal to 4. So student, we have solved this equation very easily, and the solutions are a comma b, that is we can write it in the order pair, and it will be equal to, yes, 2 comma 4. So these are the solutions, student. And one more thing I want to tell you about these two equations. We can also solve these two equations by the method of substitution, elimination by substitution. So see the second equation, we will take the second equation here. See, a plus 5b equal to 22. Student, in this equation we can write the value of a in terms of b. So for that, let's take this positive 5b to RHS, it will go in negative. So a will be equal to 22, and this positive 5b will go to this side, it will become negative 5b. Now student, in this equation we got the value of a, we have expressed the value of a in terms of b. Let's put this value of a in equation 1. So put a equal to 22 minus 5b in equation 1. So while putting this value a equal to 22 minus 5b in equation 1, we will get the value of b. So a is eliminated there. So here, this is the alternative method I am doing here. Yes, put this value 3a, the equation is 3a plus 5b equal to 26. So student, instead of a we will write 22 minus 5b. So this will be equal to 3 in the bracket. 22 minus 5b plus 5b equal to 26. Instead of a, I put the value 22 minus 5b. So student, you know that 3 multiplied by 22, it will be 66. 3 multiplied by 22, it will be 66. And this 3 multiplied by negative 5, it will be minus 15, and b will be as it is here. And this positive 5b will be as it is, equal to 26. Student, these are the like terms here. So you can understand it. This positive 5b and negative 5b, it will be negative 10b. Subtraction and sign of greater number, again that you have to use here. So equal to, here it is 26, and then this positive 66 you have to take to this side in order to find the value of b. So it will become negative 66. So negative 10b equal to 26 minus 66, the sign of greater number, it will be negative, and 66 minus 26, it will be 40. So it will be minus 10b equal to minus 40, b equal to minus 40 upon minus 10. Negative will become positive, so b will be equal to 4, because 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40. Again the value of b is 4 here. Now we are interested in finding the value of a. We know that now a equal to 22 minus 5b. So I will write 22 minus 5, and the value of b is 4 here. So instead of b I am writing 4. So it will be 5b, that is 5 multiplied by 4. So a equal to 22 minus 5 multiplied by 4. So 22 minus 5 4s are 20. A equal to 22 minus 20, that will be 2. So the solutions are again 2, 4. In this way, student, you can solve these two equations by this simple method which I have explained earlier, and then by substitution also you can find. So which method is going easy for you, that you have to solve this equation by that method. Thank you very much.